Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In no circumstances, I repeat myself, in no circumstances that you will see this notification pop up from your phone and you will click on it. No, don't do that. It's too risky. If you see this stuff, just slide it off. You slide it off. Because these boys are just using this stuff, to register your number to another phone. So whatever you're doing with your WhatsApp, they're going to have access to all your contact on your WhatsApp. So you need to be careful. Anytime that you saw this thing, please the notification stating that WhatsApp is demanding registration of your contact or whatever. Please don't try to click on it for your own safety. So if you love what I'm showing you now, if you love the information that I'm passing to you now, give me a follow and share so that other people will understand and be safe. God bless. Remain safe.